Hello everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my D Top 1 channel. I'm going to show you a very simple trick today. Help the old pole become sharp again with just a penny. Before we start, you can add toothpaste to the scissors. Toothpaste can increase gloss and the sharpness of the scissors. You can brush the toothpaste evenly on the two blades. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do that by clicking the subscribe button. It's great to see your support. Next to the knife, you can find any coin. Start opening and pulling out all the way. Put the coin between the blades so that the tongue scissors against the coin. Do this movement many times. Move from the inside out. Keep the force just right. Don't use too much force. Repeat about 15 to 20 times. Make sure both blades are sharpened. You'll see that the surface of the blade starts to change. Coin acts as a grinding surface. Help straighten and sharpen the blade. Do it with your hands. Always be careful when operating. Avoid touching the blade. If you don't understand the steps, let's take a look at the video. Or leave a comment below, let me know. I'll help you. When grinding long enough, please check the blade carefully one more time. Repeat the grinding process if necessary. The results will improve significantly. After grinding, we will clean the scissors. Prepare some baking soda and some vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda on the tongue scissors. Then cover it with paper. Then put white vinegar on the paper. Let's leave the mixture like this for about 5 minutes. The mixture will sparkle. Helps to clean metal dust and stains. Use a light scrub brush to clean more thoroughly. Then rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly. Don't skip this step if you want to last longer and stay clean. It's a simple but very effective trick that anyone can do at home. Which idea do you like the most? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching all our videos. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss other attractive content.